The Human Rights Watch has called on the Southern African Development Community SADC to speak out against the intensified crackdown on the opposition and civil society organizations by Zimbabwean authorities ahead of the regional bloc's upcoming SADC summit in Harare. Achipere mushe muri Zimbabwe noti nyaya iya aiwa ichienda kumvura chika makumbo nhau yema-human rights violations ari kunzi ari kuitika aiwa vanhu vakatarisana nethe SADC summit. Sanapinda mashoko buda nyogwa muzara nhasi munopindula news notibva subscribe like turn on the bell icon. Vanyora vachiti according to the rights group, since assuming power in military coup in 2017, President Emmerson Mnangagwa's government has committed serious human rights violations and demonstrated a failure or unwillingness to institute lasting human rights reforms. Opposition members and civil society activists have borne the brunt of violation, intimidation, harassment, and repression which appears aimed at restricting civil and political space in the country. The government of President Mnangagwa is accelerating its crackdown against legitimate and peaceful activism ahead of the August summit. The Southern African Development Community needs to engage with the authorities to take clear measures to ensure the enjoyment of basic freedoms by all Zimbabweans. SADC should promote respect for human rights by calling upon Zimbabwe's government to end the repression and the arbitrary arrest and prosecutions of activists and opposition supporters. Mashoko ari buda panapa achinyogwa achinzi aiwa ndo mashoko ari kuendeswa mberi nehuman rights watch kuSADC ichiti aiwa SADC inofanira kutora this mandate kuti ione kuti aiwa mahuman rights emunyika yeZimbabwe hasi kuvioletewa. Aiwa chipotodzai mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro penhau iyi pinai mucomment section mene mutidze mafunguro enyu musangano subscribe kulike channel on the bell icon.